A1 English listening. How old are you?
Hi, Juan. Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday, Yuki. How old are you?
Thank you. I'm 38 years old.
Nice. My wife is 38 years old too.
Really? How cool.
Are you married, Yuki?
Yeah, my husband's name is Oliver.
Nice. How old is he?
He is 40. How old are you, Juan?
Oh, I'm 37.
Interesting. Do you have kids?
Yes, I do. I have 2 daughters and 1 son.
Wow. How old are they?
Maya is 14. Ryan is 10, and Sonia is 6.
Nice.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 boys.
What are their names?
Their names are Noah and Kenji.
How old are they?
They are twins, so they are both 8 years old.
Cool. Do you have siblings?
No, I don't. I'm an only child.
Oh. So how old are your parents?
My mom is 63 and my dad is 67. How about your parents?
My dad is 60 and my mom is 61.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
How old is she?
She's 42 years old.
Oh, nice.
Well, happy birthday, Yuki. I need to go now.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Bye.